Okay, let's go live now, see what's happening. I got a bunch of text. I'm collecting all this information. I've got PDFs, I've got notes, I've got all sorts of material that's generally in text, and I want to create an online course from it. How do you do it? Well, let's look at a couple AI tools that I ran into yesterday on some of my open tabs, and we're going to go through them, and you can learn how to take some of your digital exhaust, some of the stuff that you've already collected, and turn it into videos or course material that can let you start, build, and grow your education business. This is James Maduch speaking from trainingsites.io. Make sure to go and visit, like and subscribe, all of that stuff. But let's get right to these AI tools. Now, what I'm going to do is we'll just go right now for here. I've got over 1,000 tutorials on the site and a bunch of courses. I'm going to be upfront with you. They're not all new. They're ones I've been collecting and doing over a period of time. But there's some great material there, and it all has value. And many times that's the exact same thing that you'll find when you're collecting all the information and the assets that you have as a business. And you're looking at these and you're going, okay, well, how can I take these pieces? How can I turn them into something that I can either monetize or provide assets in my membership site and to provide value for my readers, subscribers, and the customers I'm trying to help? Now, of course, I'm assuming that, first of all, you do have something that you need to create courses for, and that you have identified a group of people or people that have a problem looking for a transformation, and you have a process or information that can help them get that transformation. I'm assuming you have that. If you do have that, it's like, how do I package it? How do I put it together so that they're excited about it, you're excited about it, and you can actually teach them the skill that they need or guide them and provide them the transformation that they want. So let's take a look at them. One of the first things I'm going to do, I'm going to share, actually we'll share, I've shared this before, but I'm an absolute huge fan of mind mapping and creating a syllabus with a mind map. This is the one that I use. It's xmind.net or xmind.app. And I'm pretty sure they do have a free version, but it allows you to take ideas and basically create a mind map or a syllabus or the steps and bullet points, the key talking points that you need to cover in your particular project or whatever you're going to be doing with the site. So xmind.net, xmind.app, it's here. All sorts of different mind maps. It's something that you should go and download. It's just a really good idea to do it. If you don't use this one, that's fine. I put the links below. Just find a mind mapping tool. I'm 100% behind them. So that's the first thing. You got that. I'll show you exactly kind of one that I have that we did for one of the programs. So let me just open this one up here. And there we go. There's one there for us. So this one, just as an example, and I'll open this one up so that you can see it, is this one is about 13 ways to monetize your community and your courses. So if you take a look at this, and I'm taking a look, and I've got 4 groups, just as examples. This could be my course, 13 ways to monetize community and courses, but I can take a look and see, here's a lesson, here's some topics, here's another lesson, here's some topics that are there. And I've got all my bullet points, for example, that are built out so that I can take a look and see, you know, these are the things that I should be covering as my lessons. So that's giving me a track to run on, and that's something that I can use to create my course content. And you're going, oh, that's fine, but I don't have this map already built out. I have a PDF document. Well, that's where we're going to go to our first tool. And that is a tool that you can go and sign up for a free account. And I think I have one here. So let me just log into it. And we're going to do mapthis.com. And again, I put the links in. This is one that I signed up for a free account. This one's kind of cool because we have text, but we don't have a mind map. So let's create a mind map based on some text. So this is how this one works. We're going to go, and it says upload your PDF. If you have a PDF document that's got text in it, all you have to do is upload the PDF. Or if you just have text and you want to copy and paste it in. And if you need a little bit of help, create a mind map from any topic using AI. So if you go to ChatGPT, if you want to use the one that's here, if you have existing text, all that you need to do is you're going to take it, copy and paste it, upload it to map this, and it's going to create a mind map for you. So you can create a mind map manually in the first one I showed you. This second one, we're in a place where we can have the map created for us and help creating the map, the steps, everything that we need from there. Hey, we have the outline for our course, and wouldn't it be great now if we could have something to guide us or have a screen capture or a presentation that we can use for our video? Well, let's take a look at the next one. This one is another tab that I opened up. This one's called Beautiful.ai. Now, you could go and you could create slides manually in Keynote or PowerPoint or whatever presentation tool you're using. This one is kind of a neat one because it guides you through the creation of the content that you have in the mind map, and it makes gorgeous presentations that can be used when you're creating your course content. So I'm playing around with a paid one of this. You can see, for example, that we can, it has this, that you can do set ones. I was playing around with one now. Let's go back and take a look at it. I've got one here, Team in New York. On this one here, let's go add a slide and I'll just show you how this works. I can go and pick some of these. Let's say, for example, I want to use what would be a good one right here? I like these ones. These ones are kind of neat. We can do some bullet points. So I'm going to pick bullet points. What kind do I want to have? I'm just going to have these ones here, icons with text. I'm now in a position where I can just go and upload the pieces, put them in, do what I need to do, add some text here. Pretty straightforward stuff. And in this one here, you're even looking around, I can move them around, add more if I want to. And I even have some additional tools that allow me to do this, but this creates a presentation using AI tools and allows me to automate it, mouse clicks, change color palettes, different layouts and types. These are all right here available for you as a presentation. And I'm going to log out of this just so I can show you some of the, let's log out for a second, just so you can see how some of these ones work. But the one that I really like for solutions here is for education. So free plans for students. And the thing that's nice with this is that the galleries are available and the ability to collaborate and share with the presentation that's here. This one costs a little bit of money. All of these ones cost a little bit of money. But if you have trouble creating PowerPoint presentations, this is one definitely to take a look at because it does AI presentations as well. The one, so you can, some of the styles are there. Go watch a video. There's some, it's a neat tool. It's something you consider to get the PowerPoint presentation done. So we have the mind map. We have an automated mind map. We have an automated presentation. What are some other things that we might want to use? Well, if we don't want to show ourselves, we can always go back to more AI tools that do that for you. And then what I'm going to show you right now is called HeyGen, and that one's at heygen.com. And again, I put all the links below so that you have access to them. This one's kind of neat because video creation at scale, because the next two that I have take the text that you have and create videos for you. Now, HeyGen is one that's do it learning and development, just so that you can see how it works. Go watch these. These ones can be used for your intro videos, for people joining your membership site, but it will also actually create, with an avatar and the video, it will create the slides of the course for you. Again, you don't have to be on camera. You don't even need your own voice. You need the text that you have that maybe was generated in the sequencer order in the mind map, that you get the transformation that you want to teach or put together for people. So this is a really neat one. Again, all you need to do, text up. You're going to pick an avatar or a type of person that you want to do the presenting, a voice style, all of the different things that are there available to you. And it's going to create the video for you that you can now add to your membership site and or your courses or lessons that are broken out in the mind map. So that one's called heyjan.com. Pretty popular one. Go take a look at that one. Again, this isn't a how-to on use it. It's just one to evaluate, see if it works for you. And I'm going to show you one other one here. This one's called Syllabi or Syllabi.io. This one does the same idea, but not for course content, but for social media. So you got a course. How am I going to go and promote it? Well, if you want to use automated videos that are created from text, exact same thing, but this one specializes at creating social media marketing or posts that you can make to TikTok, to YouTube Shorts, to Instagram Reels, all the things that you want to do from the content you've created on the course. Again, has it sent for you and created for you, and you can actually schedule it and program it to do it. So these are the ones that I want you to kind of think out. These are some ones we've been playing with for the last little while, last couple days. OpenTabs. These are all great tools for you to create online courses, to share what it is you already know and do, and just be a little more relaxed on when you're creating these, about being on camera, thinking about how do I look, how do I sound. You don't necessarily have to show yourself. I highly recommend that you do and you get comfortable doing it. But if you're just starting out and you want to do this, or you need to do something quick from the text that you have already created, the digital assets you already have, these are ones that you can do that quickly and easily and have it available as course content and marketing content when you're starting building your education business. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe and get notifications and everything. Visit trainingsites.io to sign up for the community where we are adding new content all the time. And again, if you want this all done for you, we'll do it for you. That's part of our agency. And check for new videos, all of that great stuff. We'll be back again tomorrow with some more OpenTabs. Take care. Expect the best.